Hello everyone, welcome first of all. Uh, I'm really happy to be here. So from long time we are making plan because we couldn't came because of this COVID situation like everywhere. Finally we are here and I'm so excited to be here. I'm so happy to be here and thank you for everything, for everybody, to come here. And the Pakistani people, they love so much us, and they are giving so much, love to us, and I'm really appreciate that, and I'm really grateful that we're gonna do today with Mr. Suhail. J. Dot, we did, I think, really good cooperation for this. Also, I'm really happy for that. And thank you. Thank you for your invitation. And I'm really excited to try, biryani. And Karachi one. Karachi one, I think, is the best, right?
We'll get it.
Okay, thank you.
So, which camera should I look at? There are many. Hello to everyone. So, this is a great moment. Exactly. I'm a spiritual guy. So, I love to live the moment, and this is a great moment. Nice to be here. You know, a politician, a businessman, an artist. It's a big combination. But the fourth one is the most important, the audience. And Cengiz and me, we used to be a part of a great serial. We act by heart and connect with the audience. So all these organizations and these products are a vehicle to connect again, and by heart also. So I'm very happy now. Thank you for your love.
Thank you.
And may I have my swords, please? Because black tea made me something also. I want to show some. I understand in the right way. For charity, he said? Charity. I've never been invited about that organization. And never came like that. And if so, I would be here by heart.
Thank you.
There's no. This is not a big question.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।